Hello guys, our students are enjoying today because it is last their study days. From tomorrow they will go to their schools because their schools are opening from tomorrow. So let's start enjoying with our students. But before we go ahead, please like our channel, subscribe it, share it and press the bell icon. Okay students, carry on your enjoyment.
Silhouette is our first word.
Hurry. You can speak loudly.
Ice cream, mango, orange, anime, telephone, life, ambiguity, longer, tiger, rat, protection, and communication, and network, Korea, and apple, antibiotic, C, cat, D, tiger, relative, environmental, telegram, message, enthusiastic, catch, hat, transport, transportation, and negative, opportunity, why, youngest, enemies, realized, damage, earthquake, earth, noise, honesty, why, landlord, next, America, Corridor. Corridor. Running. Reception. Great. Toad. Domestic. C. Cat. Cat is the C. College. England. England is the activity. Knowledge. Kite. Elephant. Time. Enzymes. Social. Least. Energy. Why? Yours and yourself. Five. Highest. Tell. No guys wrong. Least is not done. Timeline. Each other. Racing. Realize. Gallery. Why? Young. Gun. Notification. Notice. Eco-friendly. Why? Extra. It's from X-ray. Why? Jet. It is done. Yes. Sun. Social media. Acknowledge. D. Spoon. Drum. Kite. Acknowledge. Extra. Acknowledge. Hat is the television and note. Why? Temperature. Yamuna R. Rice. Electricity. Why? Younger. R. Younger is also racer. R. Race. Eastern. Egypt. Together. R. Running is done. Roasted. Toasters. Text. Why? AC. Appear. AC. Appear. R. Roman. N. Nice. Nectar. Nectar. R. E. Roll. Ear. Egyptians. Egyptians. S. Solution. And Noida. A. Africa. African. A. And network. K. Kite flying. G. Geography.
Start
Y.
speaking. Yes, tomorrow your school is going to open.
Yes.
What you will do and what you have done, ask.
But will you have prepared everything for
Loudly.
Yes, I have prepared everything for tomorrow. I have packed my bag.
Little loudly.
Today I went to the shop for taking the new things for tomorrow, and I packed everything. Today I got from stationery I also brought all the material I needed. Already open. Your school is open? Yes. From when? It is open. 18. Are we? Yes. But when your holiday starts? 8 starts on 21. 8 April. 8 April. Your holidays will start on 21 May. Yes. Or my 8 and my 8 April. 8 July you have to go. 8 May. My school. My 24. My 24. I will give my holiday homework for the teachers for checking. Who's your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher name is my favorite teacher is my English teacher. My favorite teacher is science. Archana ma'am was my last year's computer teacher. Yes, she is my kindest teacher. I don't know. Did you like the most? She is kind teacher of she teaches English. But our school will open from day after tomorrow. My school will open on the 3. 3. And your school on 1? Yes. My also on 1 and your school on 1. And also. You are saying are you going to start? Not yes, I also. Then when was first August your school will start? This year you are like what? This year and she was joking. But our topic not all students here. She is saying I will be to everyone. That my school closed on 1st August. That was and when he is every day after yesterday. Yes, she was like okay. Great. And what are you doing in your school? What is the weight? Weight? Out. Yes, we will discuss it. What's the weight? Not anything. Today I asked you. What are you doing in your school? We will study and I will give my video for the teachers to checking and your video. Yes, all. It was completed 8 or 9 days.
My only worksheet is
My whole work was completed in starting almost 10 days of starting.
last 10 day my homework is completed because I am going to my grandfather's
Grandfather's house. I didn't went anywhere. I went to my maternal uncle's house only for 3 days.
How many projects have you done?
No
I
project.
went to projects and no project. Only five and
My holiday homework was so less.
two chapters.
Yes.
In subjects.
Yes, but I sometimes so
Did you get model project work?
Yes.
What was the project?
I have to make charts.
Like model type. Model type. I didn't get a chart. I didn't got 5 days. I had to make 2 or 3 posters and otherwise the one was of writing only. Written
very less and my worksheet is very high and I get 3 files and 2 charts.
I got very less homework.
I get okay what's and what photo I pack my bag.
I have packed my
I have kept my neck
Bag.
Which is your favorite subject you like most in the school?
English.
Not other drawing or
So that is not any subject.
What is your favorite activity?
That is not any subject in my life.
What are you doing in your school? Favorite activity?
Favorite activity.
when
No,
I
actually,
like to
craft.
No,
My
actually.
craft and play soccer with my friends in ground.
love reading and library.
Love reading. Do you read loud or very low?
Like I
Medium, normal voice. And everyone can listen.
What are you playing?
I also speak in normal, but when ma'am says aloud, then I speak loud.
You are bad. What are you playing?
What are you playing? What did you play?
yes.
What conversation in classroom?
Our noise is very
Yes. Your voice is not loud.